So noswaith dda, croeso i Gadeirlan Bangor gyda'r Gwasanaeth Carolau gyntaf erioed i Adra. Good evening and a very warm welcome to you all here this evening to Bangor Cathedral for Adra's first ever carol service. Fel can we welcome my honoured fan Gadeirlan.
Dafydd a'i drefnidiaeth i sefydlu Cathedral a Bangor Trefniadau o hyd a hyd fydd i sel ar gwyddylluoedd yn gwneud heddiw.
The Most High will overshadow you. So the Holy One to be born will be called the Son of God.
Hyd yn hyn ac yn eodd, a cyflawni ar hyn a lefarwyd wrthi gan yr arglwydd.
Because there was no place for them in the inn.
Praying and praising God for all they had heard and seen, as it had been told them.
And the peace of the Christ child be with you all this Christmas time. A bendith diw holl allio, y tad, y mab a'r ysbryd glân a ddwy'n eich glydd, ac a drigod dy fri yn wastad.